I've seen several videos when people with lasers have to turn on their air pumps, that they have to walk around the table to plug it in, and then of course walk back around it to unplug it. Well, I took the easy way out. I went down to my local big box store like everybody else, and I bought a piece of cable that looks just like an extension cord. Then of course bought the plug and the receptacle for it. And then I bought a switch. It's just a momentary switch. They've got them like this, work just like that, or they've got rotary ones that are a little bit smaller. But all you have to do, you take one of the wires, you split it between the two wires first, down that groove. Then you take one of the wires and you cut it in half, and you put one end to one screw and the other end of that same wire to the other screw. And of course, the other wire continues to go all the way through the switch. Do not cut that one. And then all you have is a switch ready to go. And this way you don't have to cut into the main cord that attaches to your air pump. That way you never decrease the value of it if you ever have to sell it, or it's just a lot easier to do it this way. Sometimes those cords are awful thick. So just go down to your local big box store and get yourself a piece of, looks just like electrical cord. Buy your two ends, one plug, one receptacle, and a switch. Put it together, put it right in line, and it'll be ready to go every time you are, and you don't have to keep walking around your table. So I hope this helps you out.